Did you grow up feeling like you had to do everything alone? When caregivers fail to provide safety and reliability, it can be hard to trust even yourself. In this video, we'll explore how to rebuild self-trust, even if no one ever taught you how. When caregivers are unreliable, dismissive, or harsh, we learn that we can't depend on others. Over time, this can turn into self-doubt, questioning our own decisions, feelings, and instincts. But trust is something we can rebuild within ourselves. Every time we break a promise to ourselves, we reinforce the belief that we can't rely on ourselves. Start with small, achievable commitments. Things like, I will drink water when I wake up, or I will take 5 deep breaths when I feel overwhelmed. As children, we may have been taught to ignore our feelings, but self-trust grows when we acknowledge our emotions and honor our needs. If something feels wrong, listen to that. If you need rest, allow yourself to take it without guilt. Self-trust means believing in your ability to make good choices. Start small. Choose what you want to eat, what music to listen to, what feels good to wear. Each decision, no matter how small, builds confidence in your own judgment. Many of us grew up doubting ourselves because we were criticized or made to feel wrong. To break this habit, start noticing when you overthink or doubt yourself. Ask, if I were advising a friend, what would I say? Then take that advice for yourself. Harsh self-talk weakens self-trust. If you constantly say, I always mess up, or I can't do anything right, you reinforce self-doubt. Instead, try, I am learning, or I am figuring things out, and that's okay. Rebuilding self-trust is not instant. It's a process. There will be setbacks, but every small step you take matters. Be patient with yourself, and remember, learning to trust yourself is a form of healing. Many of us were punished for mistakes growing up, which made failure feel unsafe. But trust means knowing you can handle failure and try again. Mistakes don't mean you're broken. They mean you're growing. Rebuilding self-trust is a journey, but you are capable. Start with small promises. Listen to yourself and allow yourself to grow. What's one way you'll build trust with yourself today? Let me know in the comments.